Everybody, this is Brian McMaster and this is Proactive Spine. I'm going to start out with our spinal floss and then I'm going to move things around. So reach up as high as you can, side bend one time either way, rotate one time either way, extend and squat, step to the side, turn your foot in, rotate your body in the opposite direction, step back, step to the side, turn your foot out, body goes in the opposite direction, one time either way. Good. Warm up that interconnection, one done for the day. Okay, so today we're going to talk about a row on a rowing machine in the gym, a circuit training machine, and we're going to talk about how that works the shoulder blade retractors and connects it to the upper part of the core. Okay, so typical row machine that you're going to see, this is actually not a typical row machine. It's Keiser air resistance, and it's great because it gives you resistance through a full range of motion and allows you to go at any speed, which is going to match how your anatomy is designed. It's not going to create any momentum and slack and something that you're going to have to absorb. Okay, so sitting on the row, my handles are here, and there's resistance to my pull here. So I could just pull, could have my hands just so my palms are facing down and pull all the way back. And this is what I see a lot of, pulling all the way back and using this upper part of the shoulder, your trapezius. And what's happening when you bring your arm back? Well, you're protracting your shoulder. Your shoulder's coming up and forward as you pull back, and you're really working here. And what we want to do is we want to pull back and down and work these shoulder blade retractors as our arm comes back behind our body. Here in front of your body, it's okay to have your shoulder up in a protracted position, but when it comes back, we want it back and down, and working these shoulder blade retractors that come all the way around and attach to the upper part of the core so that we're helping support and improve the function of our spine. So we've added rotational handles that allows the arm to swing free, and there's functional trainers that Keiser has that has handles that makes that really easy. We're just trying to adapt the circuit, gives you a little bit more stability, but adapt the circuit to this rotational movement. So you can use both arms at once. When my arms are out in front of me, my palms are facing down. Prep to stabilize my core on this machine. I want to squeeze my knees together, draw my navel to my spine, tighten my abdominal cavity by pulling my ribs down, and then fill that abdominal cylinder so I have a lot of stability. And then when I pull back, I'm pulling back with my shoulder blades initially, and then I follow through with my arms. I'm rotating my arms so my palms face up. That rotation of my arms helps wind up those soft tissues and contribute to that retraction of the shoulder blade. And I can do both arms at the same time, or this is a great piece that allows me to do arms independently, and I get that increased range of motion where I start working the core. I get a little bit of torque in the spine, a little bit of torque in the core, and this really simulates what happens with your upper body when you're walking and running. And the bonus is it's adding resistance, and I can go as fast as I want to mimic fast walking or fast running and really build that connective chain of muscles, tendons, fascia of the arm through the shoulder blade to the core and down into the pelvis and thigh. Okay, so great piece. That's a row, a very functional row that you can adapt to some gyms. This is perfect for it. I'm Brian McMaster. This is Proactive Spine. I'll see you guys tomorrow.